Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the fingerprint sensor not working on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, clean the fingerprint sensor using a microfiber cloth. It's right here between both apps and around the center, so clean the entire area. After cleaning, re-enroll the fingerprint in the settings. Open Settings, go to Password and Security, click on Fingerprint, enter the pattern, click on your fingerprint, and delete it. Then click Add Fingerprint again, click Next, and simply tap your finger repeatedly. If you get a notification like partial fingerprint detected, don't worry, it will still scan. Now the fingerprint has been scanned successfully. Let's see if it works. It does work. If yours is still not working, as a last resort, check your screen protector. If you have a fake one, remove it and see if that fixes the issue. If not, go to INFINIX Note 60 Pro at the top. Click Check for updates for your XOS. If your system is up to date and it's still the same, scroll down to System, click Reset Phone, and click Erase All Data. But before that, make sure to back up to Google Drive. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one.